many people never heard about it. It's Margate Sand, and if you Google it, you probably Google some hotel which is called Margate Sands. It's very confusing, and you need to check it on nautical charts. And there you see a huge island, sandy, full of
Okay, it's over there in the distance. So it's a sandbank off Margate, and that's where we're going today.
We are in Margate and we are just packaging all the stuff after 5 minutes. What's happened, Julian?
The front hatch cover came off somewhere along the road. So we come all the way to Margate from Deal, got everything ready, and then I realised I didn't have a front hatch cover anymore.
Hi, Julian. I feel a bit deja vu. Like
we were here yesterday, but because as you know, I lost the top of my thing. But fortunately, I have another kayak at home, and this fit. So.
I'm following you.
Okay. So we've we just arrived at Margate Sands, and like the Goodwin Sands, there are seals.
So, Julian, are you ready?
Yeah.
So let's go.
So what are we doing?
Run on the beach, and then.
Why? They're in the water.
Oh shit! It's so painful.
Radek has disappeared. I mean, I'm not even going to turn the camera around because you just won't be able to see it. I don't know where he's gone.
Large tropical island, just maybe 5 miles away from Margate. The highest point by nautical charts is 2.7 meters, and usual low tide it's around 1 meter. Oh.
So that's it. Westgate-on-Sea to Margate Sands sometime in October 2014.